it's Cassie Lamoureux here from Keller Williams, and I'm going to move out of the way because my face is right in front of the house. So today we're going to go inside, and I'm featuring our listing over in St. Cloud. This is a neighborhood called Hanover Lakes. And the reason I'm showing you this angle is because you can see where you've got water right behind your backyard. You can put a dock there, but literally you have some of the best bass fishing in Central Florida in your backyard. So you've got those options along with the view. This neighborhood gives you lake access to a chain of lakes, and it has like this gorgeous resort pool as well. But let me show you inside. So I'm going to take you inside this beautiful home. It's also it also comes it comes partially furnished too. So if you're interested, beautiful vinyl plank when you walk in. And then you've got, it's great little split plan. So you've got a bedroom over here. This is bedroom number 2. And then you've got another bedroom over here. Now this bedroom in the front has the vinyl plank through there, and the owner's using it as an office, but it is a full bedroom. Okay. And you've got your laundry room up here too, which is great. So nearby, convenient. And you've got another bedroom over here in the corner. These are really good sized bedrooms. The angle of this camera makes things look a little bit small sometimes, but just know these are really good size. And then, so you've got your 3 bedrooms at the front. It's a 4-bedroom, 2-bath. And beautiful entry opens up to where, this is the pretty part, you've got a whole open space, beautiful granite countertops, nice and open. Most of this furniture does come with the house. Beautiful, beautiful barn style doors, and all of that goes out into your back lanai with the canal right behind you. So you can literally walk out your back door and fish as often as you'd love to. By the way, this house also has solar panels on board. So your electric bill is so low. In fact, it's practically nothing. And the payment that is made on the solar panels is far less than what you would pay for electric. So what a wonderful option for those of you looking for either a permanent home or even a winter retreat. This is super close to Orlando Medical City. Even though you are in St. Cloud, it's kind of a sweet, I call it the sweet spot of St. Cloud, because you have access to all things Orlando, yet you're in Osceola County. Taxes tend to be cheaper, and St. Cloud tends to be a little bit quieter. So beautiful, beautiful neighborhood called Hanover Lakes. There's tons of lake access. It's a lake access lifestyle. And you've got, and I'm wondering, yeah, let me take you through here. You've got beautiful lanai out there. Okay. We've got your floor plan posted. So if you're interested, your bedrooms are, 14 by 10 and 13 by 14 and 12 by 12, 14 by 11. These are huge bedrooms. And then here's your resort pool. So this is off of one of the canals that goes out to that big lake. And it's a 0 entry beach pool. So you've got that as part of your amenities, right? So if you get bored of fishing, you can go swimming. So this house just listed, and we would love to help you further and send you more details. So thank you so much for watching this tour, and give me a call. We'd love to take you on a tour of this beautiful home and see if you'd like to make it into your home. So thanks again. Thanks for watching.